Hi, welcome to Venture on Central. I'm Jamison Manwaring, co-founder of Neighborhood Ventures, and this is John Kabrowski, the other co-founder. In addition to being co-founder at Neighborhood Ventures, John is also the CEO of ABI Multifamily, where he has participated in the sale and development of thousands of apartment buildings over his 30-year career.
And before Neighborhood Ventures, Jamison served as a vice president of investor relations at LifeLock, as an analyst at Goldman Sachs, where he participated in over a dozen software IPOs. Jamison and I met in 2017. We combined our expertise in real estate investment and investment markets and created Neighborhood Ventures with the goal of giving more people the ability to invest in prime multifamily properties like this one.
Using recently passed crowdfunding laws, we've taken the ability to invest in multifamily properties to the masses. Investors can start with as little as $1,000, and we're excited to announce that we have now launched NV REIT, which is open to investors nationally. Let us show you how it works. NV REIT gives you the opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of multifamily properties. NV REIT will primarily invest in cash flowing properties that we plan to hold for 10 or more years. Most of these properties will be venture projects that our team has previously transformed and stabilized. But rather than sell these properties to a new owner, we will now be able to hold them in the REIT for years to come. As these properties increase in value over time, investors will capture 80% of that upside. This is reflected in the value of the NV REIT share price, which is going to be updated every quarter. As I mentioned, we plan to hold each asset for 10 plus years. When a building is sold, we will reinvest the proceeds into new projects. We will invest a smaller portion of capital into developing projects, including new ground-up apartment buildings and properties that need to be renovated. These projects will pay a fixed double-digit preferred return to help drive higher overall returns for investors. By having a diversified portfolio of assets that includes stabilized cash flowing properties and some higher return developing properties, the NV REIT offers a well-balanced portfolio that can generate strong monthly cash distributions and future upside from appreciation for our investors.
Really enjoy working with them and like the returns and the communication and beautiful property, quiet area, nice units. It's a lot of fun.
Neighborhood Ventures has been renovating and managing beautiful apartment buildings for years. We've successfully acquired, renovated, and turned our properties into cash-producing assets and have consistently generated double-digit returns for our investors. Our properties will primarily be in Arizona, as well as the Mountain West and Sunbelt regions. We expect that over the next 10 to 15 years, these areas will see outsized population growth, job growth, and wage growth. In these markets, we look for properties in core and core plus areas that are walkable and near public transportation and employment centers. Our niche is medium-sized buildings with an average of 50 to 200 units. These buildings are often too large for individual investors, but smaller than what large institutional buyers often acquire, which gives us an advantage in our acquisition and purchasing. First, our acquisitions team sifts through many available deals and moves forward with the few that meet our investment criteria. These are buildings in up-and-coming areas that have below market rents. We then do an intelligent renovation to these buildings and bring them up to the standard of today's renter. After the renovation is complete, we lease up the property at a new higher market rent. In addition to renovating existing properties, we also look for opportunities to build apartment buildings from the ground up. After we've identified the right piece of land, we work to get the proper zoning and plans approved, then close on the purchase, and our general contractor starts to build. Once construction is complete, we then lease up the property. After the property is leased up, we focus on having strong property management to ensure our residents have a quality experience and that the properties are well cared for and maintained. Having strong property management also ensures that the asset will generate strong cash flows going forward.
Investing is easy. Just go to our website and create an account. Here you can see all of the details about NV REIT, including infographics, our interactive FAQ, and the offering documents. When you're ready to invest, click the Invest button, answer a few questions, and then place your investment directly online. Later, you can log into your investor dashboard to track the progress of your investment, watch update videos and podcasts, and access investment documents.
Seeing your money put to work in a physical asset, as well as seeing that residual income monthly, it's been a beautiful thing, and it helps not only inspire our families, but those watching this and those looking to invest their money.